Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Calendar for Project Milestone reminders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer. Navigate to the Google Calendar website at calendar.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, you will see your Google Calendar interface. In the top right corner, look for a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the left sidebar, find and click on Import and Export. Under the Export section, click on Export. Locate the downloaded zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination to extract the contents and click Extract. You will see an .ical file for your calendar. Now, open your preferred project management tool or app that supports calendar integration. In the Project Management tool, find the option to import calendar files. Select the .ical file you extracted earlier. Follow the prompts to complete the import process into your Project Management tool. Once imported, set up reminders for your project milestones as needed. You can customize the reminders according to your preferences. Now, your project milestones will be synced with Google Calendar. You will receive notifications based on your reminder settings. This process ensures you stay on track with your project timelines. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Google Calendar for project milestone reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.